Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset 3ds Max to default settings. All right, so first up, if you have the 3ds Max software opened, just close it. Okay. Once done, go over to your file folder or file explorer, and then go to local disk C. Okay. Local disk C, then users right here, double click, and just double click on your user profile. Now, what we're going to do in here is just go ahead over to the top, click on view. Now show, hover your mouse onto it. Now click on hidden items, just like so. And then after that, you're now going to be able to see app data. Okay, this file folder right here. So double click on it. Now double click on local. And then we're going to find Autodesk. Okay, right here, not 3ds Max, but Autodesk. Double click. Now double click on 3ds Max. All right. And here we have our 3ds Max version. So currently I'm using 2027. So I'm going to double click on it and we will have an ENU folder. So what you'll do basically is just right click on ENU and then rename it to whatever you want. Maybe ENU_alt. Okay. And once that's done, just tap away, close this one. I got to launch a 3ds Max. And everything should be fine now, all right? Everything should be on default now. So let's just wait for it to open. And as you can see, we even got this pop-up, okay? Just like this. So that means that all of your settings are now back to default, right? That's basically it. That's how simple it is to reset your 3ds Max to default settings. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.